In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between TurboTax products mid-return. If you've already started your tax return and realize you need a different TurboTax version, the good news is that you can usually change products without starting over. This is helpful if you want more features, fewer features, or simply a better fit for the type of return you're filing. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly what to expect. To begin, sign into your TurboTax account and open the tax return you're currently working on. Make sure you're inside the return itself before moving forward, since the option to switch products appears from within the filing workflow. Once your return is open, look over to the left-hand sidebar and scroll all the way to the bottom. There you should see the Switch Products option. Go ahead and click it. This is the area that lets you move to a different TurboTax package while keeping your progress in place. After that, choose whether you want to upgrade or downgrade, depending on the product you want to move to. Upgrading is typically the right choice if you need additional tools or support, while downgrading may make sense if you no longer need certain features. Next, review the list of available TurboTax products. Take a moment here to compare the options so you can select the one that best matches your needs. When you've found the right one, select it. You'll then click the Upgrade to button for the product you want, or continue with the available downgrade option if that's what applies to your situation. At this point, TurboTax may show you a few extra choices before finalizing the switch. If prompted, select one of the available options shown on screen. For example, you may see choices like removing expert help, switching to basic with expert help, or keeping your current product with expert help. Read these carefully, since they can affect both the level of assistance you receive and the total price. Once you've made your selection, click Continue. TurboTax will then update your product choice and show you the revised product details. This is a good time to review any pricing changes or feature differences, so there are no surprises later. After confirming everything looks right, continue working on and filing your tax return using your newly selected TurboTax product. Your return should still be there, now under the product you chose. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.